Chris here from Car Radios in Dorchester. Just recently we've had this VW Transporter T6.1 in for a system upgrade. So we put in the Alpine ILX 705D with the SOS retention kit. We've got the Gladen T6.1 sound system. So that comprises of front speakers, subwoofer, amplifier, sub-control, everything like that. So let's go around to the front and have a little look. So what we've done with this vehicle is we've got the Alpine ILX 705, which is wireless CarPlay, wide Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB, FM, USB, HDMI in and out. But also with this model is with the Alpine interface for the vehicle, you've got vehicle info, which is quite cool. So you've got limited heater control information. You see the heated seats moving, but what is quite nice is you've got the vehicle settings. So that would normally come up on the factory radio. You can now do it on the Alpine. And also with the Alpine interface is when you put it in reverse, not only do we have the factory camera, but we also have parking sensor overlay, which is quite nice. And this will work with the Halo 9 and the Halo 11 as well. But also it also puts up your radio information on the dash, which is quite nice. So with the Gladen system, let's turn that off. With the Gladen system, it's a T6.1 specific. So you've got the tweeter replacements with the nice metal grills. You've got replacement door speakers. All of the doors have been lined with sound deadening on the outside, the middle and the inside. So some people call it the 3-tier system, but so you've got all that. You've got a subwoofer under the seat and a little DSP amplifier which is mounted in the dash. So these systems can go from a 3-way system, front speakers and sub. You can do a 4-way, so just front and rear speakers if you don't want the sub. It's all very interchangeable. This vehicle has got the front speakers, soon to be rear speakers once the back is all trimmed up, and the subwoofer under the seat. Now the subwoofer can also go in the back or over the wheel arch, like this one that we did a few months ago. But this one's under the seat. Pretty cool, hey? So let's have a look at some pictures.